Hi everyone, I'm Ongezwa Ntsepe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing this lovely hairstyle over here. It's a curly half up half down type of situation. So we're gonna first start with just combing out my natural hair, just making sure that it's detangled, and then we're moisturizing it and then get into the hairstyle. So we're going to first start by parting my hair with the sections that I want. So it's going to be 3 sections, the 2 bands in the front and also the back part where I am going to crochet the curly hair. So after you're done parting your hair, you're just gonna tie the 2 sections in the front in a bun, and then we're just going to moisturize the back again with a leave-in conditioner and then detangle, and we are going to plait the back part. If you can plait it in cornrows. I can't do that, so I just plaited it in singles because that's where we're going to crochet the hair. So I'm just detangling over here, and then I'm gonna attempt to plait this hair in singles. This part was not easy because it was my first time having such long nails, but I managed to do it. It did take me longer than it would normally do, but we got it done. So after you're done plaiting your back portion of the hair, you're going to take some bob pins and just secure the single braids, just to make sure that they don't poke out from your hairnet. And then you're going to take the styling gel and then apply just on the edges of the single braids at the back, just to lay down any flyaways, and also to make sure that you slick down the back of your head basically. So that's what you're going to do over here. And then we're also going to apply the styling gel on the front bands as well. And then because my hair is thicker and I want the style to last for longer, I am going to apply the styling gel in sections in the front bands of my hair, as you will see. And then I am using this brush just to lay my flyaways down. And I know my parting is not the neatest, but yeah, we work what we have. So I'm working on having a more cleaner parting, but for now this is what I have. So as you can see here, I'm just moisturizing the front bands, and then I'm also gonna detangle and apply the styling gel as well. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me So I did end up changing the scarf for this because I feel like it does a better job. And then I left the hair to dry for about 3 to 4 hours. And then for the back of your hair, you're just going to put in this hairnet, just to protect your hair at the back. And then mine was slipping, so I just pulled it forward and used the 2 bands in the front to just hold it in place. But yeah, basically the hairnet is what you're going to crochet your hair over, the crocheted head over. For the hairstyle, we are going to be using this Ultra Jade from Darling. I used about 3 packs. You can get away with 4 packs. This is what the hair looks like on the inside. And then to crochet my hair, I separated it to like one strand. You can separate it as many times as you want. So you are going to use your crochet needle. So you just open the needle and then put it through your hair and the net. Hook the crocheted hair, close the crocheted needle, pull it through, and then you're just going to put your hair through that hoop and then you pull it in place. I am going to show you another method later on. For the front part, you are going to take your strand and then you're going to crochet it as I showed you, but instead of putting through both ends of the hair through the loop, you are only going to pull through one. This is going to make your hair a bit fluffier, and it also conceals the knots nicely as well. So you're just going to open the loop and then put in one strand and then pull. You can also tie it twice by putting in the one strand of the hair through the loop, and then you twist the loop and then you put the strand through once again, and then you start to pull. And then for the buns, you're gonna take as much as you want depending how big you want your bun to be, and then you're going to take a rubber band and make like a hook type of situation with it, and then you're gonna put that on your natural hairband, and then you're just going to take a little strand of the crocheted hair and then wrap it around your hairband just to make sure that the crochet hair stays in place. And then from there you're just gonna twist it around, making the bun whilst you are also concealing your natural hair. One thing I can say is that it was easy to work with the hair at the back, like with the crochet, with separating it, the curls didn't get damaged, but making the bun was a bit tricky for me because the hair was silkier than what I expected and it kept on slipping, but we managed to get the bun. So yeah, you're just going to twist it around your natural bun and then conceal your own natural hair whilst making the bun. And then you can also take a smaller piece to just secure it around the bun when you're done, just to make sure that it's going to stay in place. And you can also use a rubber band or pins to just make sure that the bun stays in place.
the slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin.